Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Mailchimp for investor newsletter, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall Mailchimp for your investor newsletter, start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the audience section from the main dashboard. Select the audience linked to your investor newsletter. Click on the Settings tab within the Audience menu. Scroll down to find the Delete Audience option. Click on the Delete Audience button. A confirmation prompt will appear. Read the warning carefully, as this action cannot be undone. If you're sure, type the audience name to confirm deletion. Click on the Delete button to proceed. Next, return to the main dashboard. Navigate to the Campaigns section. Locate any campaigns associated with the investor newsletter. Click on each campaign to open it. Select the Replicate option if you want to keep a copy for future reference. Then, opt to delete the original campaign if desired. Confirm deletion in the prompt that appears. Afterward, head to the Integration settings. Remove any third-party applications linked to your Mailchimp account. Review your Mailchimp account settings for any remaining configurations. Finally, ensure that your personal data is removed if applicable. You have now successfully uninstalled Mailchimp for your investor newsletter. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.